Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. If you like that idea, please stick around and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, watch this video until the very end because it helps out with my YouTube algorithm watch time. I greatly appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below because I want to interact with y'all. Today's video is going to be my winter eyeshadow picks for the winter season. Let's go ahead and get started. We have two eyeshadow sticks by Avon, Smoke Show and Buff. Smoke Show is no longer available, but Buff still is, and these are great, and I love them. If you aren't aware, I do sell Avon, and I will leave my Avon shopping link down below for y'all, in case you want to buy anything. Then we have the Belle Beauty So Shady eyeshadow stick in the shade Sky Blue. We have the Belle Beauty So Shady eyeshadow stick in the color Cloud. We have the Belle Beauty So Shady eyeshadow stick in the color Platinum, and the Belle Beauty eyeshadow stick in the color Golden. So platinum and golden. I love these. Then we have the Hard Candy matte eyeshadow sticks in the shades Lights Out and Stoned. Then we have three more eyeshadow sticks in the shades Charcoal and Stoned by Mally Beauty. And we have the No Budge cream eyeshadow stick in the shade Magnetic Pull by e.l.f. Then we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. This is super pretty. My beloved Dior Soft Cashmere. Love this. We have the Ulta Beauty Bouncy Cream Shadow in the shade Italian Ice. This is a eyeshadow topper that's sparkly white, and I have it on today. Then we have the MAC eyeshadows in the shades Satin, Taupe, and Sable. Satin, Taupe, and Sable. Then we have the multi-quad in the color Maven by Avon. This is my favorite quad that we make. I love it so much. Then I just have a couple more palettes. We have the Too Faced Mini Smolder Cold Smolder Nudes palette. I love this. The Hard Candy Monochromatic Moments palettes in the shade Purr. Then we have the Jeffree Star Liquid Star Shadow in the shade Golden Hour. We have the AOA Studio Darling Dreams eyeshadow palette. We have the LA Girl Taupes eyeshadow palette. Taupes eyeshadow palette. We have the Mini Mood eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Ash by Avon. And the LA Colors palette in the shades Rumors and Tailored as well. Tailored and Rumors. Tailored is this really pretty blue color story, and Rumors is nice neutral color story. Then we have a couple palettes by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. We have the Cremated palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics that I feel like is perfect for winter, and the Gold Blooded palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics as well. And that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my beauty and advocacy, and keep rolling on. Love you. Bye.